Slightly shy, a new day. Time for fun, school today. Meeting friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell ring. Time for school.
It's time for school. And these children are going for the very first time. Let's watch as they make new friends, learn, discover, and play. Mrs. Pavan is the teacher. Mrs. Corbett and Mrs. Cook are in class too. Don't forget Mr. O'Brien, the school's head teacher.
I'm very proud of you all.
Are you ready? It's time for school. What a lovely sunny morning in the playground. Hi, Sammy. Bright sunshine to welcome you. It's always great fun in the sun. Come on, Ava, join in. It's not long before the children are ready to head inside for carpet time with Mrs. Corbett.
Today is going to be super sunny, boys and girls. Did you know?
It's going to be sunny all day like it's summer.
Well, I think it's going to be super warm and we won't even need our cardigans.
My nanny was talking about it's going to be 3
Degrees? I think it's going to be higher than that.
10 degrees.
A bit higher, I think. What number is higher than 10?
11.
11 is one higher. Go on then, Freya.
13.
A little bit higher than 13. I think Sammy, what did you say?
20.
I think Sammy's right.
Well done, Sammy. It's 20 degrees. The sun has made it nice and warm, perfect for outside activities. Sunny days are good for water play with Mrs. Cook.
Pull up your sleeves, please.
Aprons on first. Sammy and his friends are playing with a water pool and some pipes. First, they'll need water from the hose.
We can put the water and it will go
But
there.
why isn't the hose working? Oh, I think Sammy's solving the problem. Look.
Sammy knows how to get the water flowing. Oh, watch out, Caitlin. Oh, well, wet play does involve getting wet.
Get it full.
Sammy spotted a watering can. He's trying to pour the water down the pipes into the pool. Uh-oh. The water's splashing all over the floor. How can Sammy turn the water around the corner to get it back into the pool? He has a plan.
We need to stop this like this and then it can go forward.
Good idea, Sammy. Block the water and send it flowing back into the pool.
Oh, no, that's not working, is it?
Hands won't do the job. Try something else.
What else could you do with this?
Oh, I
Not working. Sammy, what else could we do? Do we need to use these and do something different with these, maybe?
Ah, a bowl could work.
Does it work?
Oh no.
What else have you got, Sammy?
So look, it's
A spade? Maybe.
Oh!
No. Is there anything else you can use? Is that a wheelbarrow?
Still going on the floor.
Hold on. Sammy has an idea.
Okay.
He's moving the pipes so the top pipe sits on the bottom one. Is it finally going to work?
Right, let's try now. Is it working? Look!
water is flowing perfectly.
High five, boys.
Well done, Sammy. Mrs. Pavan has an activity for Theo, Lexi and Scarlett. Find the coloured shapes.
They're going to be hiding in the foam.
Foam? Things could get messy.
Why is it blue?
It's blue now, and then it does something magical as soon as we move it around.
This is going to be messy and magical.
Go on, now get your hands in, squidge it all up. Squidge it all up, squidge, squidge, squidge.
All that squidging is making the foam change from blue to white.
And you do
done.
messy, and it's fun.
Great squidging, everyone. Remember, you're meant to be looking for shapes.
I found one at your college.
Good boy. I think you are right. Put the circle there then by the other shape.
Mine
What's this one, girls?
is a triangle.
Oh, you've got a triangle. This is a large one. You've got a small one, haven't you? Have a little roam around to see if there's any more in there. Any more in there? Any more in there? Any more? Any more? Any more?
Uh-oh, now Scarlett's got a foamy face. All the shapes found. Time for some sparkly fun.
Go on then, let's make some magic foam. Go on then. Magic foam, beautiful. Mix it all up and make it magic. Wow.
My hand. Glitter and foam.
Mix it all up. Fantastic.
Oh, first disgusting
Oh, you've
slime.
got glitter hands now and glitter arms.
Now they want to show their messy, foamy hands to their friends.
Sophia, look at my hand. There's Sophia.
Let's go wash our hands then.
Good idea, before everyone gets covered in foam.
Oh, foam is going in the tap.
Slippy hands can't turn the taps very well.
Can you turn this off, Mr. Man? There, he's turned it off.
You've missed a bit, Lexi.
No, can't take it back on. All right, he's turned it back on.
This foam is hard to wash off.
All right.
Foamy frolics finished. Sammy is still making the most of the sun. He's going to build a river. His friends Harrison and Dylan from Year 1 are helping.
This boy is really strong. Done. How do you know?
Anthony and Daisy have come to help too.
Connected. We found I fixed it. I got it.
They're using plastic pieces that fit together. Sammy fetches a picture of what the river should look like when it's finished. Daisy's looking after it.
Look at Daisy's picture.
Mrs. Cook has come along to see how they're getting on.
Is this bit right?
Needs to be the other side. No, it's meant to be a cutie bit that way. It's meant to go the other side.
Harrison makes sure everyone is following the picture.
We need to make a curl, another curl, and a straight, and we need this bit.
Great plan, Harrison. Dylan gives Sammy a helping hand.
Oh, it's really tricky, isn't it?
Like this is like holding a weight. Actually, it's like breaking metal.
It's like breaking metal.
Yeah.
Maybe try working together.
No.
It's tricky, isn't it? It's really... Oh, it's off.
Great teamwork.
Yeah, that's good.
Run down and come over here.
The river is finished. Sammy's going to use a hose to fill the river with water. That hose pipe is a bit twisty.
Is the tap on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dylan does a bit of untwisting.
Oh, what did you do?
It was all like a little loop-de-loop.
Give it a go now, Sammy. Oh, Walter at last.
I solved the problem. I'm gonna do that one.
River filled. Sammy gets the boats.
Push it. It's pushing it along.
Sammy has an idea to push the boat around the river with a hose. Super sunny, splashy fun.